Okay, everyone, don't mess with light switches in other people's houses and especially in public buildings for any reason without permission. That is a big no. You don't ever do that, especially if those switches go to emergency equipment or HVAC systems. And right now, if you cut off people's heat, you will be risking their lives because it is very cold in a lot of the country right now. And it is only going to get colder. And people seriously need their heat on. Especially children, elderly, disabled people, and pets. So, if you cut the switch off for the furnace or the boiler, you will risk vulnerable people's lives. Even do not do it in your own house, but especially in a public building and in somebody else's house. You do not turn on or off the lights outside of your own house unless you have permission or if you are going to the bathroom and you need to see. But if it's not for those reasons, you leave the lights alone outside of your own house. Or else you will be banned from the party people are hosting. And if it's done in a public building, you will be kicked out of that building. Only do it with your own lights in your own house. Bye.